right, coming up next, All right, so here he is, the #1 welterweight contender, getting set to challenge for the UFC's 170-pound title. Took a long winning streak in many years for him to realize this opportunity. He is not taking it lightly. He has said all here during fight week he's appreciative of this opportunity, but he is confident he is going to maximize it and leave as not just a contender, but a UFC champion.
As he makes his way towards this cage, he believes this is his time. He believes he is destined to take this title. His preparation for this bout has gone absolutely according to plan. He's in fantastic shape with a great game plan, and he expects to walk out of this cage tonight as the new champion.
Well, it doesn't get much bigger than this, Joe Rogan, the UFC Welterweight Championship of the world, as the champion makes his way to the octagon, fighting out of that patented red corner. He has held this belt down for some time, but a lot of people think we could be looking at a new champion here tonight. The current champion, not one of them. He believes the hype is not real for the challenger. He believes he is much better than this young man, and now healthy, he is ready to prove that he's not just the best welterweight in the world at present. He is the greatest welterweight of all time. Winning this fight tonight against a significant challenger would certainly go a long way to proving just that. Our tale of the tape for this welterweight championship fight. So a more than 5-year gap between...
You ready? You ready?
All right, here we go. UFC welterweight championship is up for grabs right now. So he won the championship fight the last time by vicious knockouts.
Oh! Kick to the face!
Well, when you're a contender on the level of this guy, you don't necessarily need to go the extra mile for your fans, but that has been a staple of this guy's UFC career. And here he is in his hometown, and what does he do? He invites all the fans to his gym for a meet and greet, shook every last hand. Really, I think an impressive gesture, and something that I think a lot of other UFC fighters, lower profile fighters too, are gonna take note of.
And there he swung with a haymaker.
Nice punch there by Ponzinibbio. Oh, well, you can't enter the pocket there unprotected. You got to figure out a way to get your guard up a little bit. Another kick lands to the head there. And let's see if he and his corner can make the proper adjustments defensively to avoid any further head kicks here in this fight.
Oh, and he goes up top with the kick.
Oh, big left.
Went for the head kick.
Ponzinibbio gets caught with that punch. He's got to figure out a way to get that guard higher, Joe. How about that shin? Ponzinibbio's cut is only getting worse, making a nice donation to the canvas tonight.
He's got good accuracy on that jab.
Oh, head kick blocked, though, by Santiago Ponzinibbio. Throwing that jab yet again out of range. Oh, head kick attempt. It is blocked by Ponzinibbio. Switching stances here. Oh, roundhouse kick. So Arlovsky's hook shot blocked. That one was telegraphed. Good job by the defense. Looked like it did stun him a little bit.
The champion is in big trouble here. He is in danger of losing his title.
He's got him hurt here.
Head kick!
Under a minute to go in what has been a wild round one. Arlovsky's head kick attempt, that one is blocked.
And he's down! He switched again to southpaw. Nice. He eats a high one. Oh! He's got to be careful here. He's in trouble. And again he lands it.
Oh!
What a fight.
Hey, stop!
Let's take a look at some of the action in that round. Here's a huge punch that stuns. And here we see another huge punch that stuns his opponent. And let's look at it from a different angle.
Man, you make me feel good about myself. Look here. Is this a boxing match or is this MMA? Man, your boxing is killing it.
Are you ready? You ready?
All right, round two.
That last round was an all-out brawl. If they continue like that in this round, someone's getting knocked out. He got hurt very, very badly. Kicked him in the face! Big shots!
Well, this fighter has really honed his striking skills at Blackburn Kickboxing there in the UK. And wow!
Big left hook!
He's got him here.
He's in a lot of trouble.
A couple of hammer fists now.
Back up.
Oh!
Kick to the face. Now he's in guard.
All right, so he just decides to get up here, Joe.
Oh! Kicked him in the face.
He's got him hurt here.
This fight is dangerously close to being stopped.
Oh!
Kick to the face.
Oh!
He's up. And another one. He's in trouble.
And he's gonna do it.
A huge roundhouse kick for the knockout.
Yeah, Joe, as far as highlights go, they don't get much prettier than that. A huge kick to end the night here tonight. He caught his opponent flush, full force, full extension, and that one was a no-doubter. The fight was over as soon as that foot made contact.
Let's see that again. Bang.
So there he is, the undisputed UFC welterweight champion. What a finish he turned in here tonight as he gets it done by way of knockout. Now we go inside the octagon. Bruce Buffer with the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Yves Levine's called a stop to this contest at 1 minute, 57 seconds of round number 2. Declaring the winner by knockout and still the undisputed UFC welterweight champion of the world, Arlovski.
So there he is, the man they are all still chasing at 170 pounds, the undisputed UFC welterweight champion.